Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can customize your order tracking page using Track123 Order Tracking app. So this app is a powerful Shopify app that creates a built-in branded tracking page for your store while also helping you to support tickets and boost customer stress. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So head on to your Shopify admin panel first and make sure that the app is installed here in this app sections. So if it's not installed, you can just go to the Shopify app store and search for this particular app. From this, you can just open their installation page, and this page may contain some overviews and some key points of this one. And also they have some pricing plans showing up in the installation page. So I recommend you to start with the free plan so that you can just have some idea and you can also explore more, and if it's fine helpful, you can upgrade to the paid plans. And there are different reviews from merchants also available here. Just go through this. And if everything is right or fits to you, you can just click on install button and this app will reflect in the app section of your admin panel, and click on Track123 app to open its dashboard. From here, you can just click on tracking page. Either you can just click on customize button from this, or you can just particularly going to the tracking page and click on customize. Now, this is the one where you have to just customize your tracking page. So let's go with either traditional one or the modern one, and I'm just giving or going with the traditional one, which is the default one. And you can just have the order lookup pop up to be have the tracking number field and the order number and the email or phone number field like this. You can see the layout as like this. Either you can remove this image or you can also change the image from here, and this fields will be the tracking number field, and the WhatsApp or the mobile number field will be looking like this. And you can also go with the tile part like this. So let's go with the tab part, and the alignment also you can just make it to be fitted in the left, center or the right. So for me, I prefer left, which is more suitable for my tracking page. And this contains some mobile image view also. You can have a look from here. There is a image change or remove options giving here. You can also use this if you want. And the tracking details, you can just show either all the information or the latest informations only. So I'm going with the latest information only. I don't want to show all the information. So if you don't want either at all, you can just mark it as disabled. And you can also go with the style part, whether it should be display with the vertical progress bar or the date based grouping display. And the time format, you can just go with the 24-hour time or the time of this minute second part. And you can also have some map coordinates to show or do not show. And you can also have some package content to be show with product and quantity or show record button and all. If it is a reorder button, is you want if you want to show some reorder button, you can just give the button actions like view item or add to cart or buy now one. So I'm just enabling all this. And career part, you can just go with the career logo or only the show last mile career or the tracking numbers. Everything you can just customize over here. And if you want to show some product recommendation in the tracking page, you have to be in a paid plan. And if you also the Instagram feed to be shown up, all these features are under the paid plans. And you can also show some review widget if you want. And this is a if it is enabled. And the rate icon shape you can just choose, and I'm just choosing the star one. And review options, you can just either go for the text field or the tag ones. I'm going with the text field tag ones. And if you want to uh, change the styling part, you can just click on here, and the processing bar color, you can just change to any other. Let's go with the uh, light red part. Yeah. And the theme mode, whether it should be a light mode or a dark mode. And page style, round should be, whether it should be a rounded one, sharpened, slightly rounded. I'm going with the rounded one. And theme container width also, you can make it like this pixels. And also status bar style, you can have like this, or comprehensive one, the minimalist one. And stages also, you can just go with any style status bar, you can just go with this. So I'm just going with the comprehensive one. So I'm let's saving this. And next you can just have some additional text. If you want to fill, you can just give the text over here in this field. After this, let's save this. And that's how you can just customize your tracking page using Track123 app. So while you're waiting for, just try this out today. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.